Greetings and salutations. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your boy Jack, coming to you from the beautiful island of Jamaica. On today's review, I will be doing a unboxing and first impression video on this beautiful fragrance called Byron Parfums, the Chronic, and this is the Rogue Extreme. I am super excited and I can't wait to dive into this package itself. So if you are interested in a content like that, keep on watching. So before I get into this package, let me give you guys a quick back history on the house. I've been a fan of this house since the first three fragrances in the line, which was Dot 9, Mula Mula, and also what was the last one again? Dot 9 and Pirates. Mula Mula being my favorite to date, especially Mula Mula Rogue Extreme. I've always loved the offerings of the house, alright? So I've always decided that I'm going to invest in the house. This one, because I have the Chronic, which is this dark, seductive type fragrance right here. Amazing fragrance, but I'm not talking about this one right now. I'm talking about this one here. So Byron, shoot, it sounds as if it's loosed inside of the container, so I'm going to be a little careful as to not damage anything. All right, so let me get straight into opening it. I do believe I've seen a lot of videos where persons experience difficulty in removing the sleeve, so I'm going to try and see how seamless I can be in removing it. Guys, what have y'all been doing? Because this shit is pretty easy to come off. I had to do that, guys. Anyhow, so let me be careful in opening it, guys. I don't want any accident. No, hold on. Oh, alright, no problem. I can open it for you guys now. I do like what I'm seeing inside. Look at the presentation. Whoa, just beautiful. The cap, the bottle, and the cap feels sturdy. Wow, the cap is pretty much heavy. This is more, hold on, guys, this way more than a Parfums and Marley cap. Whoa, damn. Woo. Oh, let me, oh, god damn. Guys, I just smelled the sprayer because it seems that given the cap fell off, it leaked a little bit inside of the bedding, but that's the least of the problem. Look at attention to detail. You see the Chronic on the front. You also see the Byron logo right here. It's engraved in the bottle. Up at the top of the spray on the, around the cringe, I believe you have Byron Parfums. Wow, that's very unique. On the top, you also have the B as well. So let me spray this one and tell you guys what I think about it. I like to go directly on the skin because, guys, your skin is the true representation of what the fragrance smells like. So let me put some on my arm, and this will be my bedtime scent. Let me test the spray as well. Whoa, guys, you saw that a while ago? It's pressurized and it's very wide as well. Whoa. Damn. Hallelujah. To sum up what I'm smelling right here, guys, I am smelling a super sweet version of the original, which is the chronic itself. This one, it smells like icing, if I should say. It is super sweet. It's not overly sweet where it would make you feel nauseated or anything. It is, whoa, damn. The original one, the leather itself in that one, plus the spices like the cinnamon and those stuff plays perfectly fine. This one, however, I am getting like a icing sweetness, like vanillic. Whoa. This is what I like about Byron Parfums. Smelling this one, I cannot put my hand on something else that smells similar to this fragrance. That is something that I truly appreciate about Byron Parfums, and I always say to persons, in order for you to get something unique, it is mainly going to be in the perfume that will produce unique scents, and this one is pretty much unique. The bottle, many persons, oh, it clicks into place as well. Many persons might say this look like Maison Francis Baccarat bottle, but I must say Byron owned it and it looks amazing. The cap looks awesome just the same. So I'm going to show you guys quickly the transition in terms of bottle presentation. This was the first bottle style, where you have a cylindrical bottle right here with a perfectly fit cap. It's snubbed onto it so you could pick it up by the cap. Then they changed from having those 100 ml bottles to these 50 ml bottles. As you can see, this is the chronic. I think I might do a side-by-side comparison of both of them. I'm not certain as yet. But this is the second generation bottle. The third presentation bottle comes in this one right here, which is pretty much the same as the second generation. This is Black Dragon, another love of mine right here. Same style bottle, but the labeling is different. And now these, I must say, a significant improvement on the bottle presentation and on the packaging as well. So Byron, this is pretty much up there in terms of luxurious packaging, and I will give you credit for that as well. All in all, my overall assessment on this fragrance is 10 out of 10 for the scent profile. This, oh, and it changed a little bit. I'm getting something, I'm not sure if it's benzoin or I am getting something. It's not leathery to my nose, not yet, but I think I need to give it some more try to tell you guys more what I think, all right, or what I'm getting off this one, because it changed a little bit. It's not that super sweet anymore, but it still has that sweetness lingering with some fruity accords as well. This is unique. It is really, really nice. I'm enjoying it so far. Who knows, my assessment might change, or my ratings, which is 10 out of 10, might change later down, but it might stay, it might stand, it might change, who knows. All in all, presentation 15 out of 10. Scent profile, as I mentioned, 10 out of 10. Packaging, amazing, superb. So there you have it for my unboxing and first impression on this fragrance from the house of Byron Parfum. I hope you take something of value from this video. As always, I ask that you leave a comment down below, smash that subscribe button as well, hit the like also so it increases my visibility on the platform. I am your boy Jack, coming to you from Kingston, Jamaica. Peace, I am out.